Hassania's introduction to the UK was extremely traumatic, kept locked up as a domestic slave.
Never go out, I never see lights, I never see park, I never see anything. If I talk, sometime I talk about something, he cuts food for me, cuts, no food for you, no food.
For 2 years, she was forced to work around the clock.
Every day, have to look after them children, have to cook, have to clean them house.
But eventually she escaped when a key was accidentally left in the door.
I run. After I found one man, he looked Pakistani, I asked him, please, I want to go to mosque.
Hassania wanted to build a new life in Britain and was recommended to go to ElHassania College to get the necessary qualifications to stay in the country.
She's been through so many things. She approached us 2 years ago and she said, I want to apply for my citizenship. When we gave her the small initial assessment, we found out that she's completely illiterate, never been to school in her country.
Tell them I can't write, read, what happened to me. He said, don't worry, I help you a lot, don't worry.
She had like completely basic English, like she used words without not full sentences.
This had to improve dramatically if she were to pass the vital language test.
She was not trusting anyone. She was in a very bad situation, but we managed to cool her down.
I think I never pass, I never study, I never do anything, never. But him I meet tough guy, I say, I'm lucky to found you.
We provide the service on one-to-one basis. And when she passed first time, everything changed in her life. Because it was the first green light or the first light in a tunnel for her.
And Zana's help didn't end there.
Feeling myself look like my brother, like he called me, need something, come here, come back to college.
We are not just a college helping her to meet a requirement by Home Office to pass an exam with Trinity. She found that we treated her as a friend, a close family.
Zana helped Hassania with everything from her passport application to finding accommodation. As a direct result, she now has a steady job and is bringing up 2 children.
Now I'm feeling I'm English. I'm feeling this my country, my children's country. I want to do something for this country because my life now is good. I'm very happy, you know.
I want my students to achieve not just a grade in their exams or the results. No, I want them to succeed in their life.
If not this college, I don't know what happened to me. I want to tell him thank you. Thank you is not enough. My life has changed a lot, you know. I'm a strong woman now. I'm happy. I'm happy with my life.